Hey people, from today onwards we are gonna start a new course that is full stack web development, and yes, we'll start from scratch. So what things do we need before starting this course? A laptop or PC with a good internet connection as a compulsion, guys, because we need to access various frameworks and libraries from the internet. Also, no programming experience is needed. Yeah, you heard it right. Isn't this amazing? And the last thing we're gonna need is a text editor, which can be Atom or Visual Studio Code. I really do prefer Atom text editor. So what are the expectations and outcomes of this course? You will be able to create a website on your own easily after the end of this course, and you'll learn different frameworks and libraries in this course that will make you a fully fledged full stack web developer. Sounds interesting. Why only this course? There are thousands of courses available in the market, so there might be a question in your mind, why only this course? Step by step guide for each and every part of the video, all in one course to become a full stack web developer. Also, it is a project based course. That means it is a project oriented course. What does a full stack web developer do? That's a big question. A full stack web developer is a web developer or engineer who works with both the front and back ends of a website or application, meaning they can tackle projects that involve databases, building user interfacing websites, or even work with client during the planning phase of the project. What it means is, if somebody gives you a project to work on, you don't need anybody's help to complete the project. You can do that on your own. Full stack web development can be easily categorized into two categories, that is front-end web development and back-end web development. Front-end web development can be easily said as something we see everything happening on the client side, that is your side, the website you see, and use comes under the front-end web development. So what is backend web development? Backend web development directly refers to dealing with everything that goes behind making that beautiful website work. Everything that happens on the server, how it happens, when it happens, is all under backend development. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask them below. I will be more than happy to answer the questions.